Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about Lineman's Pliers and the different uses there are for them. Okay, these are called Lineman's Pliers and comes from the name of lineman, you know, working at the utility. But most electricians have these in their bags as well because it's a really useful tool, not only for electrical work, but for a lot of other work as well. Specifically, it's great for stripping wires, cutting wires. When you're twisting wires together, if you're gonna put a wire nut on the end of it, you grab the wires with one hand and you kind of lay the wires flat on these jaws here, and then you twist to get a really good contact, and then the wire nut holds it in place. It also has the ability, with the way that these are made, with these curvatures in the jaws, to grab onto bolts so that you can loosen and tighten them. Not all lineman's pliers have those. And as I mentioned, it has the ability to cut wire as well. These particular lineman's pliers have a repositioned cam on it, so where it is placed allows more torque and a better grip in using these pliers. So it's kind of a go-to, and if you need to work, do a bunch of electrical work or other projects as well, a pair of lineman's pliers is a really good choice. If you'd like more information about choosing other kinds of pliers, that video is coming up next.